How you doing, guys? It's your boy, and welcome back to another one of these slice of life type videos I've been making recently. I'm actually thinking of calling them, I don't know, like Mike the Blank Bike Dasher. I don't know, I think it's got a ring to it. What do you guys think? Feel free to let me know in the comments down below. But in the meantime, today's is thrilling and I'll be setting myself up for a thrilling Thursday, because we'll be dashing to the gym, and this is one of my better days for gig work, so we'll be doing even more of that as well. And I typically work out on Fridays instead of Thursdays, but tomorrow, as of the day of this recording, is July 4th. That'll be a separate video as well. But I figured might as well hit the gym today, do double overtime tomorrow, and we'll see what happens. But before I go to the gym, let's have some coffee. Good stuff. I'll meet you there. All right, guys, just made it to the gym. And today we got upper body day number 2. So this is going to be more of a back-focused training session compared to the previous one. The previous one was really more about the chest, shoulders, triceps, while still training back. And this one's going to be more focused on, well, back. Let's go inside and do our thing. All right, guys, we got out of the gym a little while ago, and we had a pretty solid session overall. I actually decided to put biceps back in my upper body training instead of having it with my lower body training. Seems to flow better that way, and I'll implement more of that change for next week. I'm on my way back home. I have DoorDash on. I have my other apps on too, and nothing's happening. So maybe I'll just head back home for a little bit and come back out later. So I'll meet you guys then. All right, guys, I did have enough time to come back home for a little bit. I sat out front with Lucy, and, you know, she loves sitting out front, just patrolling the front yard and everything like that, while I was downing a protein shake. And I did happen to get sent an offer from Shipt. It's at Target one of my regular customers, and then they lumped on some other customer I may or may not have done an order with before. I don't know. But I'm not going to be doing it on my DJ bike because there's big bulky items on it. So, you know what that means. Time to change this flat, get it back on the road. So let's do it. Whoops. I'm just going to put a different tube on it. One of the tubes I have, it also got punctured, but I did repair it properly, so it's holding air. Plus, I'm feeling kind of lazy about fixing that other one, so might as well just use one that's already fixed. It's enough. I would use that air compressor that I used to have, but it got water damage and it doesn't work anymore. Oh well, it is what it is. At least the foot pump still works. I mean, technically the gauge on it doesn't work, but you know, sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do, right? Bada bing, bada boom, problem solved. Alright, good enough for now. Honestly, I love this bike, man, but I'm also getting fed up with it too. I mean, there's a lot to love about this bike, don't get me wrong. You know, it's reasonably powerful, it's got good range, it's comfortable, it looks nice, but it's also a hassle to fix a lot of the time. And I don't know, maybe I just got this curse with fat tires. I've never gotten so many flats in my life ever since I started owning fat tire bikes back in early 2023. Tubeless or not, it doesn't matter, man. These are the only kind of bikes I ever get flats with. I mean, I know I got my DJ bike, but I need something a little more powerful for like the bigger orders. Plus, DJ's not going to be towing this thing. Forget about it. Maybe I'll get one of those smaller cargo trailers that I can put on DJ. That way I can still tow some decent sized stuff without overloading that tiny motor, you know? This cargo trailer is pretty awesome though. I like how it can collapse down so I can just slide it in a tight space. That's what she said.
That's what she said.
And it's a pretty respectable size too. I mean, it's like basically 41 inches long. So I was able to fit, if I lay them flat and to the side or horizontal, I was able to fit 5 of those 32 case packs of water. I actually made a video on that if you want to check it out using this time card. And I'll throw in another time card while I'm at it, because I did a formal review on this cargo trailer as well. And hey, why not? Let me throw in yet another time card after the next one, where I reviewed this bike, the DJ. Oh yeah. I like how this cargo trailer has these quick release wheels. It makes it wheelie convenient. Alright, well, that's pretty much done. So I'm gonna hook this bad boy up to Juliet. We'll head over to Target, get those orders done, and we'll take it from there. All right, just gonna let Wanda know that I'm shopping for her order. And I'll let Wendy know as well. Let's get to it. Yeah, they've been doing a lot of remodeling, so I don't know if the aisles are the same or not. It looks like the planogram is correct, so that's good. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Good enough. All right, that's Wanda's order. Let's get Wendy's order. Yep. There we go. That'll work. All right, that's the last item. So now go to the front and get it processed. Then we'll bag up. All right, I'll just finish bagging the second order, and then we'll start loading up. Alrighty, safe and sound. All right, one down, one to go. Hey, how's it going? Delivery for Wendy?
Yep, right there.
Right here? Or
You can put it on the doorstep, thank you.
okay. Have a happy 4th. We just got done dropping off those orders. It took a little under 53 minutes, went about 5.5 miles. The base pay was $15.26. And if the customers do leave a tip, I know at least one of them will. But when they do leave a tip, I'll show the screen up here. And I don't know, man, we're getting a lot of overcast out there. I mean, it's pretty sporadic because of the whole like disturbance in the Atlantic. As of the time of recording this, it looks like we may or may not get hit by a tropical storm or tropical depression within the next week. So I don't know, we'll just have to play that by ear, see if I can go back out tonight. But if I do go back out tonight, get some more dashing under my belt, I'll show the screenshot of the dash here. And I'll just wrap up the video right about now. Hope you guys are enjoying the series so far. And if you are, just do all that algorithm stuff. Let me know in the comment section down below what you're thinking about the series, what you'd like to see next. Consider getting a channel membership with us. It's only 99 cents. Gives you exclusive benefits, including but not limited to the corniest emojis on the internet. And last but not least, if you're looking for other interesting things and stuff, such as my other socials and other cool free resources and things and stuff, link tree in the description box down below. Love you guys, appreciate you continuing supporting my channel, and I'll see you then. Take care.